Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX motherboards. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, features, and overall performance of these two gaming motherboards. The MSI B550 is designed for AMD Ryzen 5000 and 4000 series processors, while the GIGABYTE B650 caters to the latest Ryzen 7000 series. We'll be comparing them across several categories to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 supports AMD Ryzen 5000 and 4000 G series processors, making it a solid choice for gamers looking to build a budget-friendly system. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, offering enhanced performance and future-proofing for your gaming rig. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for users who want to leverage the latest technology. When it comes to memory support, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 utilizes DDR4 memory, which is widely available and cost-effective. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX supports the newer DDR5 memory, providing higher speeds and improved performance. This advancement in memory technology allows for better multitasking and gaming experiences, making the B650 a more future-proof option. The MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 features PCIe 3.0, which is sufficient for many gaming setups but may limit future expansion options. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX boasts PCIe 5.0, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better support for next-gen graphics cards and storage devices. This makes the B650 a more appealing choice for gamers looking to maximize their system's potential. In conclusion, both the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI B550 is a budget-friendly option for gamers using older Ryzen processors, while the GIGABYTE B650 offers cutting-edge features and future-proofing for those looking to invest in the latest technology. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.